I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos on your phone or browser. This is where deleted items are staged. Once there, tap the menu and choose Trash, because Google keeps deleted photos for 60 days. Make sure to preview before restoring. Select the images you need and hit Restore so they return to your library and albums. If you restore multiple items, Google preserves original timestamps and albums when possible, which helps you find them quickly afterward. If photos aren't in Trash, check Archive and other device folders, because sometimes images were moved rather than deleted. Next, verify Google Drive and any other cloud accounts you use. Syncing can place copies there. Also confirm device-level backups and Google One backup settings, since device backups often include camera folders. Once done, enable Sync and wait for a fresh scan. This can surface photos that were excluded from Photos, but still exist in a backup snapshot. When basic checks fail, export your account with Google Takeout or contact Google support to request assistance. Provide timestamps and album names to speed things up. Also inspect other devices signed into your account because copies may remain there. If the deletion is older than 60 days, look to local backups or recovery software for the original device. However, success drops over time. Troubleshooting tip: if you still can't find photos, stop using the device immediately to avoid overriding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.